Need to install some gaming components on PC. 1. Install gaming services. Open Microsoft Store, search for gaming services. Click Install or Update. Wait for the installation to complete. Restart your PC. Launch Roblox again. Number 2. Update the Xbox app. Open Microsoft Store, go to Library, click Get Updates, update the Xbox app, restart the Xbox app, try launching Roblox. 3. Sign out and back into Xbox app, open Xbox app, click your profile icon, select Sign Out, close the Xbox app, reopen it, sign back into your Microsoft account, launch Roblox again. Now here's number 4, repair gaming services and settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Gaming Services, click Advanced Options, select Repair, restart your PC, test Roblox. HAR5, reset gaming services, open settings, apps, select gaming services, click advanced options, choose reset, confirm the action, restart Windows, launch Roblox. Navistarb 6, repair Microsoft Store, open settings, go to apps, installed apps, select Microsoft Store, click advanced options, choose repair, reopen Microsoft Store. Number 7, clear Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type wsreset.exe. Press Enter, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen, restart your PC, try Roblox again. 8, reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run get x package Microsoft.gaming services, remove appx package to add to users, restart your PC, open Microsoft Store, reinstall gaming services, launch Roblox. 9, install all Windows updates. Open settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install all available updates, restart your PC, test Roblox again. Number 10, reinstall Roblox. Open Settings, Apps, uninstall Roblox, restart your PC, download and install the latest Roblox version, sign into your account, launch a game. Bonus fix. If the error still appears, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc/scano. After the scan completes, run desm/online/cleanup image, restore health, restart your PC. Launch Roblox again. These solutions can fix to play games on your PC, we need to install some gaming components error in Roblox caused by missing gaming services, Xbox app issues, Microsoft Store corruption, or damaged Windows system files on Windows 11 and Windows 10.